Welcome back, everyone. It has been quite a long time since my last update. Wish everyone a late happy Easter. 復活節快樂. Today we are going to continue learning adjectives in Cantonese. Let's get started. Boring in Cantonese is 悶. For example, this movie is so boring. 套戲好悶. 套戲好悶. Cheap is 平. For example, these oranges are very cheap. 呢啲橙好平. 呢啲橙好平. While expensive is 貴. For example, iPhones are selling more and more expensive. iPhone 賣得越嚟越貴. iPhone 賣得越嚟越貴. Cold or iced in Cantonese is 凍. For example, it's so cold today. 今日好凍. 今日好凍. Or, I would like to have an iced lemon tea. 我想要杯凍檸茶. 我想要杯凍檸茶. While hot is 熱. For example, this week is hot enough that we can swim. 今個星期熱到我哋可以去游水. 今個星期熱到我哋可以去游水. Comfortable is 舒服. For example, this sofa is extremely comfortable. 呢張梳化超舒服. 呢張梳化超舒服. Convenient is 方便. For example, the supermarket downstairs opens 24/7 is really convenient. 樓下超級市場24小時都開架，好方便。樓下超級市場24小時都開架，好方便。Let's repeat everything we have learned today. Boring, 悶. This movie is so boring. 套戲好悶. 套戲好悶. Cheap, 平. These oranges are very cheap. 呢啲橙好平. 呢啲橙好平. Expensive, 貴. iPhones are selling more and more expensive. iPhone 賣得越嚟越貴。iPhone 賣得越嚟越貴。Cold or iced? 凍。凍。It's so cold today. 今日好凍。今日好凍。I would like to have an iced lemon tea. 我想要杯凍檸茶。我想要杯凍檸茶。Hot 熱。熱。This week is hot enough that we can swim. 今個星期熱到我哋可以去游水。今個星期熱到我哋可以去游水。Comfortable 舒服。舒服。This sofa is extremely comfortable. 呢張梳化超舒服。呢張梳化超舒服。Convenient 方便。方便。The supermarket downstairs opens 24/7. It's really convenient. 樓下超級市場24小時都開㗎，好方便。樓下超級市場24小時都開㗎，好方便。That's the end of the video today. Next time we will still continue to learn some other common adjectives. If you have any question or suggest topic, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. See you all next time. 下次見，拜拜。